Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to rename, hide, delete, and create a duplicate page here in Looker Studio. Let's begin. Effectively managing pages in Looker Studio, formerly known as Google Data Studio, by renaming, hiding, deleting, or duplicating them can significantly enhance the usability, organization, and clarity of your reports. Now, make sure you are on the edit mode because right now we're in the view mode here in Looker Studio. If you click on this button, you would have an access to all the renaming, hiding, deleting pages, and creating a duplicate page. Now, we have a separate video on how to add another page here in our channel that you might want to check out. So for the meantime, we're going to create a duplicate page because we cannot rename or hide if we only have a single page. And for us to be able to create a duplicate, go to the page section here. And of course, you have the duplicate page. Now you see, we already have two pages on this side. You see that? If you go to the view option, now as you can see, we already have a copy of that. So we have successfully created the duplicate page. Now I'm gonna hit again the edit section of mode because we are on the view mode. So to rename a specific page, okay, you see you have an option here on this side. For example, this is going to be the first page and the duplicate. Okay, so hover to the side and click on the three dots where you can rename. Okay, so I'm gonna rename this. Right, and then the next thing is, since we already have created a duplicate, we have renamed, and now we're going to hide. Now the hide option is still on this side on the three dots. Just click on this and click on hide in view mode. All right, it's a very easy process. Now on the deleting page, it's easy because all I'm gonna do is click on this option again and click on delete. It's a very straightforward process, and that's how you basically rename, hide, delete pages, and create a duplicate page here in Looker Studio Report. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.